Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this episode I will show you how to create 123 looks from 18 items. Does it sound impossible? Well, continue watching and you will see it's much easier than you may think. If you like this video, don't forget to click like. It makes a huge difference for me as a content creator. And if you want to subscribe, please do so and hit the bell so that you receive notifications every time I publish a new video. So let's get to the interchangeable capsule wardrobe. For this video, I created a summer capsule wardrobe which is interchangeable and it is made of 18 items. And in total we can get to 123 different looks. How did I do it? So first, the important thing for me, since I'm a working mom, is to have clothes for summer which will be comfortable, practical, functional and feminine. Second thing is the materials. Since I want to be more sustainable, I will look for materials which are recycled, such as recycled cotton or recycled linen. If I can't get them, I will go for organic cotton, organic linen, Lenzing Ecovero and Tencel. When you're creating an interchangeable capsule wardrobe, it's important to think about the colors. If the items are supposed to mix and match, the colors must go well together. For this reason I chose dark blue, light beige and caramel brown. As you can see, all the colors look very pleasing together and they go well together, and it's very calming energy and message that you're sending to the world. So let's start with the bottoms. I think one skirt is enough. There is one pair of pants, dark blue, which I would use for work. They are made of organic cotton. The skirt is also made of organic cotton. Then we have a pair of jeans. I chose white jeans and beige shorts. I picked one dress and then I thought about the tops. When it comes to the tops, I chose 5 tops. For practical reasons, I picked one t-shirt. It is a white t-shirt with blue stripes, 2 blouses. There is one off-white blouse with short sleeve and one ruffle blouse which has a flower print, and it has also short sleeves and it's very elegant and feminine. And we also have a classic shirt in dark blue and one camisole. In case the weather gets chilly, I think it's good to have some cover-ups. So I picked one cardigan in light beige and one denim jacket. It is a darker denim so that it goes well with the dress, with the jeans, but also with the skirt and with the blue pants. You can see that I picked classic ballerinas. They are in dark blue, sandals that are in dark brown, and a pair of sneakers. It is called Veja and it's a sustainable shoe brand, and when I decide to buy a new pair of sneakers, I will definitely get it from them. As we're talking about sustainability, when you want to buy a pair of jeans, I recommend checking a brand Mud Jeans. It is a brand based in Netherlands. You can actually lease a pair of jeans instead of buying it. After 1 year of lease, you send it back and you choose a different pair of jeans. I think this is super cool and I love this concept, and I actually ordered a pair of jeans from them, so I will show you once I have them how they look on me. When it comes to the accessories, I chose an olive green handbag because I like the color and I think it goes well with all the colors that I chose for this interchangeable capsule wardrobe. I chose a hat and a scarf because I love to wear scarves and I think it's a great way how you can cover yourself when you feel a bit chilly without wearing a sweater. So now we have these 18 items. When we check the first look, you can see that here are 30 looks that I created just with one bottom, and this is the skirt. So what I'm going to be changing now will be the bottoms, because this is the easiest way to do it. So we have the skirt, and as you can see, the skirt goes well with all the tops, with both cardigan and the denim jacket, with all the shoes. You can also have a scarf with it, and it goes perfectly well also with the hat and the bag. So how did I get to 30? So you have one skirt and 5 tops, so that means 5 looks by only changing the top. Then each look goes well with the cardigan as well as the denim jacket. So you multiply it and we get to 10, and we have 3 pairs of shoes. So 10 multiplied by 3, we get to 30. And that's the same concept with the white jeans. They also go well perfectly with everything that I picked up. They go well with everything that I picked. The same applies to these dark blue pants. And here we have the shorts. We have all the 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 5 tops, 1 jacket and 1 cardigan, 3 pairs of shoes, the hat, the bag, the scarf. So again, 30 looks. Now we getting to the dress, and here I created only 3 looks because in my opinion the dress goes perfectly well with the denim jacket and with all pairs of shoes. So we have 3 looks. I don't like so much adding the cardigan because it's really a different color. It's really a bit coldish beige, and when you put it next to this dress, which is warmer, it just doesn't look nice. So I don't think it would look very nice in reality, but I may be wrong. But when I look at it now, I really don't think that it would look well. So I would match the dress only with the denim jacket, and then as we have 3 pairs of shoes, we have 3 different looks. So here we are. It's 123 looks that you can easily create from 18 items. I think that's amazing, and it shows how it's not so much about how many pieces of clothes you have in your wardrobe, but what can you do with that? So there you have it. What do you think? Would you like to create your own interchangeable capsule wardrobe? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions concerning capsule wardrobes or how to mix and match your clothes, let me know in the comments below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!